Here we have a 20 plate BMW 320d M Sport Plus Edition. Now this vehicle comes with over £7,000 worth of optional extras, all listed on the website. Just to mention a few though, we do have the premium package, we have the comfort and visibility packages, and we do also have the technology package. Got the 19-inch alloy wheels with the blue M Sport brakes, the oxide grey metallic paintwork, LED headlights, gloss black front grills, and there's a look at the front end. We do also have the full-length performance kit on this vehicle, which includes the front splitter, side skirts along the bottom. We also have colour-coded door handles and the black door mirrors, black trim around the windows, and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have the glass sunroof that's currently open. We have the rear spoiler lip on the tailgate. If we take a closer look just here, you can see just there. We also have the front and rear parking sensors with a reversing camera as well. We do have the dual legs exhaust with the rear diffuser, power operated tailgate, and then walking back round to the driver's side you can see that the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look now at the interior, inside of here you'll find we have the full black leather interior. We have the M Sport style seat belts, fixed ISO points, foldable armrests. We also have the climate control for the rear passengers. At the front we have the same leather interior. Both front seats are heated and also electrically adjustable. The driver's side has the memory function. We've got the premium Harman Kardon sound system, the automatic lights, ambient lighting as well running throughout the interior. Multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated. Take a seat inside, you find the digital dashboard in front of us. Put our foot on the brake, press the start button, the vehicle starts up for us. We got the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel, cruise control, speed limiter just here. Got the high beam assist as well on that stalk. Automatic wipers on the stalk on the right. And as you can see, we are free from any warning lights on the digital dashboard. We also have the heads-up display just up here if the camera can pick it up. If any screens or lights are flickering, it's just the camera, not flickering in real life. Heated steering wheel button in the centre. Got the main screen in the centre. It's currently showing the sat-nav. Plenty of features on here you would have seen on the photos. Quickly going through them though, we do have the shortcuts down here, so click onto media, you find the radio stations, we also have the Bluetooth audio, music collection and much more. Bluetooth phone connectivity for making phone calls. We have these apps that are currently installed, and we do also have the Apple CarPlay and the Android Auto. We have the intelligent safety system just here, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. And moving further down you find the climate control, ice cold air conditioning, got the heated seats as well on either side, all working as they should do. Wireless phone charging, cup holders tucked away inside of there, automatic gearbox if you put it into reverse, then you find the reversing camera and parking sensors appear on the screen. Put it back into park just like so. We do also have the different drive mode buttons just here, electric handbrake and the auto hold button. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today though. If you'd like to find out more, please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.